What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this very nice foot massager, and it does more than just massage your feet. It brings you heat. Now, that's very important because right now it's winter time and it's cold. All right, it's cold. Some people want to keep their feet warm and stuff like that, and people want their feet massaged. Now, you do have the buttons right here on top. All right, so it says heat time, uh what is that, mode and intensity. Now if you look right here, you get a remote, and right now I'm just going to hit power, and ooh, kind of tickles. So I'm very ticklish on my foot, you guys, so yeah. All right, so it kind of tickles when you first put it on. Now for me, all right, some people are not ticklish, but I do feel the pressure. Now I feel pressure, but it feels good though. It's balls just rolling around in a circle. All right. It squeezes your foot too. Now it says 15 on there. Now let's see. I'm going with intensity. All right. So it says level 2. And I feel it squeezing a little bit more. 3, 4, 5. All right. So you got 5 when it comes to intensity. Modes, I'm going to go in a different mode. So it says P2 on here. And now I feel the balls going in a different motion. P3, the ball stopped. It's going in a different motion again. P4. It should be 4 modes. Okay, I feel it squeezing. Oh yeah, it's squeezing, you guys. It feels good though. Like my foot is locked in. And if you're standing, I feel as though if you're standing, you'll have even more pressure on your foot. So it depends on how comfortable you are. Some people stand at their desk. Maybe you work at home or something. You have that adjustable desk, like the adjustable desk that we reviewed. If you stand up on your computer, you can just put your feet in here, get a massage while you're doing your work. That would be cool. All right. So we got that. We have the intensity. We had the modes on here. All right. Now we have vibration. Let's see. All right, so vibration is only one. So let's leave it on here. Okay, you guys, so it's vibrating. All right, it's very nice. So you got vibration while you have the motion with the balls. Awesome. All right, I turned vibration off. It's still going around in circles. So yeah, if you want your heels more, make sure you put your foot a little bit harder on here. Okay. And what else we have here? We got heat. Let's see, heat 1. Okay. Okay, I feel the heat now. Definitely. Heat 2. Oh, this massage feels good though. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, the massage feels good. All right, so I'm enjoying this too much. And then last but not least, we have the timer. So you got 20, 25, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, so basically you can massage up to 30 minutes and then have your timer to be off. But I don't want a timer, so how do you turn the timer off? Okay, so don't know. But I'll leave it like that. Okay, and that's it, you guys. All you gotta do is hit the power, put your remote back in, and then that's it. All right. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.